Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a portal in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit Bob at the central square, and then you need to talk to him and open the Special Home Decor store. Okay, and then you need to scroll down guys, and you will be able to see the portal here. Okay, you can buy the portal with your wishing stars. And now my level is wait, let me check it. 16. I don't know which level you can unlock this portal, but my level is 16 and I've already unlocked the portal. Okay, and you can buy the portal like this, but I'm not gonna buy it guys because now I don't need portal. Okay guys, and that's how you can get portal and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.